Hello everyone and welcome back to Trending Chats. Lately, SAP has been talking a lot about data products. But what exactly does that mean? To help us break it down, I'm joined by Kunnal Khanna, Senior Solution Advisor at SAP. Kunnal, welcome to the show and over to you.
Thank you, Molly. So before I start talking about SAP data products, let's look into the reality that's happening in the data world. Organizations these days are more data-driven. They're embarking on their AI journey. And to address this journey, they have to merge the data sets such as SAP data and plus non-SAP data. And the non-SAP data could be coming from such as weather, it could be a market research data, supplier and inventory information that they have to combine together to address their analytical needs. To address these requirements, what organizations are doing, they're taking the SAP critical business data into an external platform and leaving all the good part behind in the source system. And the good part is the business logic, the business semantics, and the business context. And they are trying to rebuild it into the external platform. And this is the major challenge that they are going to be struggling with. And this is where, as SAP, our offering of Business Data Cloud comes into play, where we offer data as a service via data products. So what are exactly data products? Think of them as business-ready data sets. So we, as SAP, we are going to be providing these data products as a service. These data products are curated, are business-ready, and are enriched with metadata. So what does that mean for our customers? Firstly, these data products are business-ready data sets. We provide these data sets just not as a raw data, but we define the relationships between the various business objects and provide various analytical measures and even spatial data. Second, these data products can be consumed easily. When I say consumed easily, they basically can be consumed by various protocols such as SQL, REST APIs, even the delta sharing. Did I say delta sharing? Yes, delta sharing is a concept that we are able to share the data with our leading partner, Databricks, without even replicating the data itself. So you can see the value that we are bringing through these data products. Thirdly, these data sets have been enriched with rich metadata and are easily discoverable within the catalog of Business Data Cloud, making them well described and easily discoverable. Now, some customers may ask me, what is so different between these data products and the business content that we provided through our analytical solutions? The difference is very clear over here. The business content that we provided was just more of an accelerator templates. Another thing that I would need to pinpoint about business content that we provided, it was very specific to certain line of business solutions. And the best thing about the data products that we are going to be providing, that we are going to be having data products for each and every line of business that SAP caters for. And the cherry on the cake is these data products are going to be maintained and updated by SAP. So in short, these data products make the data consumption much more simpler, reduce the complexity of the integration, and unlock the insights much more faster. And if you want to learn more about how these SAP data products are going to be laying a stronger foundation for data-driven transformation, I'm more than happy to connect.
Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you on the next episode of Trending Chats.